Her real name is Elia Mary Shalish and her nickname is Sniper Wolf. She was born on October 22nd, 1992. Currently in 2023, she is 22 years old. She is 5 feet 3 inches tall, weight 51 kilograms. She is YouTuber and social media star by profession. Her nationality is American and British. Her religion is Christianity. Net worth is $3 to $4 million. His name is Preston Playz. His nickname is Preston Estimate. His birthplace is Dallas, Texas, United States. He was born on 4 May 1994. Currently in 2023, he is 28 years old. He is 5 feet 9 inches tall. His weight is 67 kilograms. He is YouTuber and gamer by profession. His nationality is American. His religion is Christianity. His zodiac sign is Taurus. Marital status, he is married. His wife name is Brianna Peg. He is very famous on social media. YouTube subscribers 2.1 million. Instagram followers 1.7 million. His net worth is approximately $20 million. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos.